Hello everyone, this is Sarthak from DeepXflow and I'm here today to introduce our latest product, the Crimper Automation Kit. In this video, I'll run you through the features and installation procedure for this kit. Crimper Automation Kit is a specifically designed completely pneumatic kit to automate a range of detonator crimpers. This can be easily attached to your new or pre-existing crimpers. The kit comes with a control unit that contains the pneumatic circuit and 4 sets of pneumatic lines with a total of 9 connection points. Each connection point is well labeled, making the installation procedure a snap. To install the kit, mount the control unit to a suitable location and connect the connection line. For this, all you have to do is connect 1 to 1, 3 to 3, 5 to 5, 7 to 7 and 9 to 9. Similarly, connect 2, 4, 6 and 8 on the crimper. This is the main FRL unit for the crimper. This is where you will need to connect your compressed air supply. This is a slide valve to turn on or off the pneumatic supply to the crimper. We suggest you to set the crimper to 6 bar pressure by using the knob here. To set the pressure, just pull the knob out, turn it accordingly and click it back in. What you are seeing here is the length adjustment assembly of the crimper. If you're connecting the kit to a pre-existing crimper, we will supply you a new block and pin. You will need to replace the old block and pin and install the new one provided to the crimper. Once you have adjusted the crimper to the right length, all you need to do is insert the detonator like this and press it in to get the perfect crimp. That is all. If you have any other queries, please do get back to us. Thank you.